In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google to bring your creative ideas to life with the help of Canva. We'll go step by step, so don't worry if you're a beginner. I'm here to make it simple and easy for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening up your Canva project. Canva is a wonderful design tool that's perfect for everything from making social media graphics to designing posters. So make sure you have your project loaded up and ready to go. Next, we're going to create a mask effect. For this example, imagine you've got a black rectangle shape and you'd like to add an animal inside it. Begin by selecting your desired animal image. Once you have it, click on the animal, head over to the Edit option and choose Duotone. This is where the magic begins. Select any duotone effect and adjust both colors to white. The objective here is to turn the animal image completely white. This creates an interesting visual effect that stands out against the background. Now that you've got your design set up the way you want, it's time to save it. To download your work, click on Share and then select Download. When you're choosing the file type, make sure to select PNG. Also, check the option for a transparent background, which will ensure only your design is downloaded without any background color. Once you are satisfied with your settings, proceed to click Download. The next step is to perfect our masked image by removing any unwanted background components. After downloading, you'll want to re-upload this image. Once it's back in your Canva workspace, use the BG Remover tool. This feature is fantastic for cleaning up your images and can be found in the editing options on the side. It helps eliminate any unwanted background, giving your image a crisp, clean finish. The final part of today's guide is all about layering. Navigate to the Elements tab and search for the image you'd like to mask. Insert this picture into your design and open the Layers option. To ensure your design sits correctly, click Send to Back. By doing so, you're sending the element behind the newly inserted masked animal, creating a stunning overlay effect that makes your design pop. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully masked an element in Canva using Google Tools. This technique is versatile and can be used in various projects to bring a professional touch to your designs. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited to try it out for yourself. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design guides, and as always, happy designing!